Welcome to Orgnyz. In this video, we'll guide you on how to create and manage a table order. First, look at the left side menu. You will see an option called Orders. Click on Orders. On the top, you will see different tabs. Click on the Table tab. At the top of this screen, you will see available tables and available seats. For example, you may see something like 14 out of 25 seats available. This means how many seats are currently free out of total capacity. Now let's understand the tables. The tables with a white background and green line at the bottom are active tables. These are tables where orders are already running. You can see number of people, number of items, and the current bill amount. The tables with a gray background and dotted border are vacant tables. To start an order, simply click on Start Table. When you click Start Table, a pop-up will appear to enter customer details. Customer details are optional. You can skip this if you want. You will see fields like phone number, customer name, and address. When you start typing a phone number, we will show matching existing customers. You can select from the list. If the customer is new, just continue entering the number and details. We will automatically save it as a new customer. Once you start the table, you will move to the order screen. On this screen, you will see menu categories on the left and items in the center. On the right side, you will see the cart. To add an item, simply click on it. If the item has options like size or add-ons, a pop-up will open. Select the required options, add a note if needed, and click Add. If this item does not have any options, it will be added directly to the cart. If you want to add a note for a specific item, click on the item name in the cart. If you want to add a note for the full table, use the Add Note option at the bottom of the cart. Once the order is ready, click on Send to Kitchen. Now this order will also appear in all active orders. Here you will see different colors. These colors show how long the order has been running. For example, green means recent, yellow means moderate time, and red means the order is delayed. Once the customer finishes their meal, go to Orders and click on Complete. This will open the payment screen. On the left side, you will see customer details. You can click on Edit to update them if needed. Below that, you can apply a discount by entering a percentage. You can also remove discount or taxes using the Delete icon. If needed, you can reset taxes again. Now, select the payment method like cash, UPI, or card. If the customer pays in cash, enter the amount they give. The system will automatically calculate how much you need to return. Even if they give multiple notes, you can use the calculator on screen. The system will help you calculate everything correctly. Finally, click on Pay Now to complete the order and free the table. That's it. You have successfully created and completed a table order in Orgnyz.